The ocean, a vast expanse of mystery and terror. Beneath its surface lies a world we've barely begun to explore. Long ago, an ancient terror ruled these depths, a creature that struck fear into the hearts of all who crossed its path. Comparable in size to the modern sperm whale, this ancient behemoth was far more aggressive, armed with jaws and teeth of unparalleled size and ferocity. Let me introduce you to the Livyatan Melvillei. Today we delve into the depths of history to uncover the secrets of this monstrous predator. We'll explore its appearance, its habitat, and the mysteries surrounding its reign of terror. Join me in today's video as we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of the Leviathan. Livyatan was an ancient apex predator that lived approximately 9 to 12 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. Named after the biblical sea monster Leviathan and the author Herman Melville, it was one of the largest predators of its time. The Leviathan belongs to the family Ferocidae, which includes modern sperm whales. It is believed to be a close relative of modern sperm whales, sharing a common ancestor with them. Livyatan was an enormous whale, estimated to have reached lengths of up to 18 meters. Its size was comparable to that of a modern sperm whale, making it one of the largest predators in the oceans during its time. While Livyatan shares some similarities with modern sperm whales, such as its large size and predatory nature, it also exhibits several distinctive features that set it apart. One of the most distinctive features of the Leviathan was its massive teeth. These teeth could grow up to 36 centimeters in length, making them among the largest of any known carnivorous mammal and much larger than those of modern sperm whales. Its skull structure suggests it had a robust and powerful bite, likely used for hunting large prey such as other marine mammals. In addition to its massive teeth, Livyatan had a skull structure that suggests it possessed exceptionally strong and powerful jaws. The robustness of its skull and jaw muscles indicates that it was capable of delivering devastating bites to its prey. This adaptation would have been crucial for immobilizing and subduing large prey items, allowing Livyatan to feed on animals much larger than itself. It's likely that the Leviathan had a streamlined body shape, typical of other cetaceans. This streamlined form would have allowed it to move efficiently through the water, pursuing fast-moving prey over long distances. Its large size would have also provided it with an advantage in intimidating potential competitors and defending its territory. Like modern sperm whales, Livyatan likely possessed a well-developed echolocation system, allowing it to navigate and locate prey in the dark depths of the ocean. This sensory adaptation would have been crucial for hunting in deep-sea environments where visibility is limited. Livyatan inhabited the ancient oceans of the Miocene epoch, which were characterized by diverse marine ecosystems. The environmental conditions of the Miocene epoch were characterized by warm temperatures and relatively high sea levels. Oceans covered a larger portion of the Earth's surface compared to today, and marine habitats were rich and productive. It inhabited these ancient oceans, where it likely roamed a range of habitats, from coastal areas to deeper offshore waters. Fossil evidence suggests that it roamed the oceans worldwide, although most fossil finds have been concentrated in regions such as Peru, Chile, and South Africa. It likely preferred deeper offshore waters, where it could hunt a variety of prey species. Its diet likely consisted primarily of large marine mammals, including other whales, seals, and possibly large fish. The size and robustness of its teeth suggest that it was well adapted to hunting and consuming such prey items. Fossil evidence, including preserved stomach contents and bite marks on the remains of other marine animals, supports the hypothesis that Livyatan was a top-level carnivore in its ecosystem. While specific details about its hunting strategies are speculative, several hypotheses have been proposed based on its anatomical features and ecological role. One possibility is that it hunted by ambushing its prey from below, using its powerful jaws and massive teeth to deliver devastating bites and effortlessly tear through the flesh of the prey. Another theory suggests that it may have employed cooperative hunting tactics, similar to modern killer whales, to target and overwhelm larger prey items. Given its large size and predatory nature, Livyatan likely occupied a dominant position within its ecosystem and may have exerted significant influence over prey populations. It would have competed with other marine predators for food and resources, including other large carnivorous whales and sharks. Possible competitors during that time could have been the Basilosaurus, the megalodon, baleen whales, and large seals and sea lions. It is possible that it also scavenged on carcasses of marine animals that had died from natural causes or as a result of predation by other predators. Now let me give you more information about some fossil founds, and after that, possible reasons for the Leviathan's extinction. In 2008, a team of researchers led by paleontologist Olivier Lambert discovered the first partial skull of Livyatan in the Pisco Ica Desert of southern Peru. This fossil find, known as the holotype specimen, included a well-preserved portion of the skull, including teeth and jaw fragments. In 2010, another significant fossil find of Livyatan was reported in the Atacama Desert of Chile. This discovery included multiple specimens, including skull fragments, teeth and vertebrae, providing further insights into the morphology and paleobiology of the species. In 2015, researchers announced the discovery of a remarkably well-preserved fossil specimen of Livyatan in the Pisco Ica Desert of Peru. This specimen, nicknamed Livyatan Melvillei, included a nearly complete skull and mandible, as well as portions of the vertebral column and ribs. In 2020, paleontologists announced the discovery of fossilized remains of Livyatan in the West Coast Fossil Park near Langebaan, South Africa. These fossils included fragments of the skull, teeth, and other skeletal elements. Possible reasons for the extinction of Livyatan could have been shifts in global climate patterns during the late Miocene epoch, including changes in ocean temperature and sea level, which may have impacted the availability of prey and disrupted marine ecosystems. Livyatan, as a top predator, would have been particularly sensitive to changes in prey abundance and distribution. Climate-driven alterations in oceanic currents and productivity could have reduced the availability of suitable hunting grounds for Livyatan. Intense competition for food and resources may have placed pressure on Livyatan, especially if its preferred prey species became scarce or were outcompeted by other predators. Anthropogenic factors such as pollution and habitat destruction can have profound effects on marine ecosystems and the species that inhabit them. While these factors are more relevant to modern extinction events, similar processes may have occurred in the past and contributed to the decline of Livyatan. Changes in oceanic conditions, such as pollution or habitat degradation, could have reduced the suitability of the Leviathan's habitat and compromised its ability to thrive. This ancient predator was a true monster of the deep, its ferocity and power unmatched. It ruled the oceans with fear and dominance. Yet, despite its reign of terror, we can find solace in one undeniable fact: the Leviathan is extinct. We can now navigate the ocean's depths with a sense of relief, knowing that this terrifying creature no longer prowls its waters. But there were cruel creatures not only in the water, but also on land, who made life hell for the other animals. You want to know about which animal I'm talking? Then make sure to check out my other video right here where I talk with you about the most fearsome bird that has ever existed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.